Hello mga abe and welcome to the new episode of Cook, Eat, Let's Go! We are going to make a beef melt out of our leftover food available on our fridge. Like for example, this is a leftover roast beef that I bought a few days ago on our local grocery store near in the area. I have 4 pieces of sliced Gouda cheese. Of course, you can use different kind of cheese, whatever is available on your fridge. I always have spring onions, chopped spring onions. I have liver spread. I have leftover pickled chili. And of course, I have a leftover baguette, courtesy of Kusina ni MONCESCA. Kusina ni MONCESCA is one of the content creator and living here in Toronto. And she is my neighbor. It's about 2 houses away from my house. All right, so Kusina ni MONCESCA, thank you so much for giving me this precious bread, and I hope you support her channel. Let's go. Okay mga abe, first thing that we're gonna do first, we're gonna cut in half this baguette and we're gonna put it on our baking pan. We're going to cut this evenly. Okay. All right. And then mga abe, we're gonna cut this chili like a julienne cut or a circle cut, whichever is good for you, but chop it, and because we're gonna use it as a topping, okay? And now mga abe, we're gonna reheat this roast beef to our pan, okay? So I'm gonna put olive oil. I'm gonna put some of the spring onions, saute it, caramelize it. So the principle of this is just to reheat the beef and just put some kick of the onions. You don't want to overdo the beef because it's already seasoned and you're gonna destroy the original taste of the roast beef. Okay, now mga abe, I'm ready to put the meat on our bun. So this is the step. First, I'm going to put this liver spread on our bun. So one for me, one for Mrs. JDL. Right? I put it evenly. I put it all. Nothing much, but better than nothing, right? If you don't have liver spread, yeah, maybe olive oil, balsamic vinegar, but you want the richness, right? So liver spread is good. So we don't have leftover anymore. Now I'm gonna put the meat. Okay, the meat, I'm gonna put the meat here on the bun. Right? Smells so nice. Right? So after we put the meat, we're gonna use the chili, the pickled chili, to top it on the meat to give it some kick. Right? Little bit of kick is good. And finally, we're going to put the sliced cheese. As I've told you a while ago, you can use different kinds of cheese. It depends the availability on your fridge. Gonna put 2 each. Okay mga abe, this is our melt. So we are ready to put this to the oven, and the temperature is 375 Fahrenheit to 400 Fahrenheit, at it's gonna be melted or cook it or reheated to at least 5 minutes. And now mga abe, we're gonna put it in the oven. Alright, look at this beauty. Okay mga abe, we're gonna set it aside, keep it rest for another 2 minutes, and it's ready to eat. Okay mga abe, today, now is the moment of truth out of our leftover ingredients, and we're gonna taste our beef melt, roast beef melt, with Kuya JDL, ala Kuya JDL. Look at the cheese, no? It's already melted. Tapos na-toast na yung ating beef din. O kaya di natin in-overcook kanina yung beef. And again, thank you, Kusina na MONCESCA, for the homemade baguette. So, pwede kahit na anong tinapay or kahit na anong baguette and different kinds of cheese, basta kung ano ang available. Let's taste it, mga abe. Yung bread naging crunchy sa ilalim. Tapos, yung the liver spread, it goes better doon sa ating beef. Kasi yung cheese natin, mild lang, hindi ganun ka-strong. Tapos, nararamdaman mo yung kick ng chili, may sweetness ng spring onions, everything is balanced. So mga abe, try this recipe in your house for your merienda, for your lunch, or for your dinner. And we're gonna wash down with the beer, with our beer. Ooh, perfect. Okay mga abe, thank you again for watching our Cook It episode today. And I hope to see you on our next episode of Cook It. Best regards, Kuya JDL. Bye!